I am going to show you who can see my WhatsApp statuses and who cannot, and 3 other tips to control which of my contacts can see the statuses and who will not be able to see them. Once we are inside WhatsApp, we go to the top right to the 3 dots. We tap there and then enter the settings option. Once we are in settings, we tap on privacy. We enter privacy and then go here to status. 3 options will appear. The first option is that all my contacts will be able to see my status once I upload it. It would be this option, which is the default one. The second option is a bit more interesting. All my contacts will be able to see my statuses, except what does this mean? That if I select it and then go here in the green part, except for example Daniel, for example Anoda, Giovanni, an example. So all my contacts will see my statuses except for these 2 people I selected, which would be the second option. If I go back and select it again, the 2 contacts I have selected will appear and I can remove them or select more. The third option would be to only share with. What does this mean? It means I will only share my statuses with the people I select. In this case, I will only share my statuses with my contact domicilio. Inesinta, Teinuos, INFK, I click on save. So in this way, any status I share will only be seen by my contact domicilios. Senta is here and in this scala is another way to perform these steps more quickly is to go to the status section and click on post a status. Once we have selected the image or video that we are going to share in status, at the bottom we select this option status, and here we will see the 3 options I already explained. Share with all my contacts except a certain person, or share only with this person or with this group of people. So this is how you will be able to control who will see the statuses when you publish them. All my contacts or only the people I really want to see them. Here, if we go to the 3 dots, status privacy, we will also have this list of options. So we will be able to find this list in 3 ways, as I showed you, and in this way control who sees the statuses of my contacts. I hope you like the information and put it into practice. Remember that in the description I leave more recommended videos about WhatsApp tricks and other tips and recommendations that I am sure you will like. See you next time.